Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best shed ramps is probably one of the most important yet overlooked accessories for lawn mower owners. A well-designed ramp makes storing and retrieving your mower a breeze, saving you time, effort, and potential back injuries. This video will help you find the perfect ramp to suit your needs and shed setup, ensuring smooth transitions and a long life for your equipment. Number 5. Guardian Dual Runner Ramps. These ramps make loading heavy equipment a breeze. They're perfect for ATVs, lawnmowers, or snow blowers. With a 750 pounds per axle weight capacity, it can handle your toughest equipment. You can load with confidence, knowing it's built to last. Easily roll your equipment into your shed or garage. No more struggling with heavy machinery. They're made from lightweight aluminum, making them easy to handle and store. Yet, they're incredibly strong and durable. The 3 to 1 2-inch rung spacing is perfect for smaller wheels, and the serrated texture provides extra traction for a secure grip. They feature a full-width 4-inch attaching lip with pre-drilled holes for optional permanent mounting. This ensures they stay securely in place. Each ramp measures 36 inches long and 8 inches wide. They're sold in pairs for complete convenience. What we like. It's lightweight yet sturdy, supporting up to 750 pounds per axle. Its compact size is perfect for smaller sheds and garages. If you need a reliable and easy-to-handle ramp for lighter equipment, this is the one for you. What people say. They only weigh about 10 pounds, so they are easy to move and store. Very sturdy and the perfect length. They are lightweight but also very sturdy. These are perfect to get my 60 mower into our new shed. Sturdy and long enough so the incline wasn't too much. Perfect for what I needed. Number 4. Lucosobie Curb Ramps. These ramps are designed to make navigating curbs and thresholds easier. They're perfect for cars, wheelchairs, and more. With dimensions of 19.6L x 19.6W, and available in 5 and 6 heights, it smoothly transitions most driveways and sidewalks. The anti-slip surface ensures safe passage. Made from durable industrial rubber, it can handle up to 3 tons, 7,000 pounds. It's built to last and withstand heavy use. These ramps are versatile and suitable for cars, wheelchairs, lawnmowers, and even pet mobility. They're ideal for various locations, from garages to shops. The bottom grid lines make them easy to carry, and reserve holes allow for permanent installation if needed. Enjoy convenient and safe access. Contact us anytime for any quality issues. We're committed to providing excellent customer service and will respond within 24 hours. What we like. This ramp boasts an impressive 3-ton weight capacity and a non-slip surface for ultimate safety. It's versatile enough for various applications. If you need a heavy-duty ramp for cars, wheelchairs, or heavier equipment, this is your best bet. What people say. They are wider, almost 20 inches, and heavier duty than I anticipated. They are made of non-slip rubber that supported my minivan part way up with no problems. They didn't want to kick out or slide like I have had happen with metal and other hard composite plastics. If you have a platform, curb or other 5 to 7 inch surface you need to get something heavy on, they will work out perfectly. They also have a spot to use a lawn bot and fasten totty ground concrete permanently. This is such a better option than wood or metal that will rot rust. These rubber ramps are super tough and appear they will last a long time. Installed in front of my shed, they stay in place without anchoring. They have a good slope on them, walking on them is easy. Number 3. Guardian S4812 Ramps. These ramps make loading equipment into your shed or garage a breeze. They're built to last and handle heavy loads with ease. They're made from lightweight yet incredibly strong aluminum, ensuring durability and easy handling. It's a smart investment for years of reliable use. The unique punch plate surface provides superior traction, no matter the weather. You can confidently load and unload your equipment, even in wet or icy conditions. With pre-drilled holes, it's easy to permanently mount them for added security and peace of mind. They're designed for stability and safety. These ramps can handle up to 1,500 pounds, total weight, 750 pounds each. That's enough capacity for most lawn and garden equipment. Each ramp measures 4 feet long and 12 inches wide, providing a comfortable and safe incline for your equipment. They're the perfect size for most applications. What we like. This ramp offers superior traction with its punch plate surface and can handle up to 1,500 pounds. The longer length provides a gentler slope for easier loading. If you prioritize superior traction and need a ramp for heavier equipment, this is ideal. What people say. These are strong and heavy-duty, able to support 1,500 pounds, easy to carry and move due to lighter weight. I would guess 15 pounds per ramp. They are plenty wide and long enough so the angle is not too steep and I don't scrape the mowing deck on the edge of the floor. Very well made product. First class material, 100% aluminum, almost too pretty to drive my lawn tractor on. Number 2. Ruedamann 4-foot aluminum shed ramps. It's designed to tackle loading height challenges between 11.8 and 13.5 inches. Together, they support up to 880 pounds, or 440 pounds individually, making them perfect for various items. These ramps are made from durable, lightweight aluminum alloy. They're waterproof, rust-proof, and built to withstand regular use in all kinds of weather. The punched surface provides excellent traction, preventing slips. The extended head plate ensures a smooth and safe loading process. Each ramp is 47.2 inches long and 9 inches wide, ideal for vehicles with tires narrower than 9 inches. They're lightweight and easy to store, and come with screws to secure them in place. They simplify loading for ATVs, motorcycles, lawnmowers, and more. Use them for sheds, garages, and carports. We offer a 1-year warranty against defects. What we like. This lightweight aluminum ramp is easy to carry and store, yet strong enough to handle up to 880 pounds. The anti-slip surface ensures safe loading in any weather. If you value convenience and need a durable ramp for moderate loads, this is a great choice. What people say. Strong, lightweight and durable ramps. Perfect for my storage container. These ramps are very well constructed and the weight capacity is more than enough for most applications. They are lightweight and easy to handle. The top edges of these ramps have a long flat lip that allows you to place it on a flat surface. The opposite end is bevel cut, so it rests flat on the ground. Even without the vertical stabilizer installed onto the top edges, these ramps are still very stable during use. The diamond pattern dimpled holes makes a non-slip working surface. Excellent design and high quality of manufacturing. I bought these to use loading mowers snowblowers into the back of my SUV. Well made, sturdy, easy to use. A good investment. Number 1. Guardian State Route 01 Ramps. These ramps make loading equipment into your shed or garage a breeze. They're built to last and handle heavy loads with ease. The punch plate surface provides superior grip, keeping you safe in any weather. No more slips or slides. Pre-drilled holes allow for permanent mounting or attaching multiple units together for extra long ramps. Installation is simple and secure. These ramps are made from lightweight aluminum, making them easy to handle and maneuver. Despite their light weight, they're incredibly strong. With a combined weight capacity of 1,500 pounds, it can handle most of your equipment. Each ramp supports up to 750 pounds. Each ramp measures 29 inches long, 24 inches wide, and 2 inches high. Perfect for a variety of applications. What we like. With a 1,500 pounds capacity and a wide design, it's perfect for larger equipment. The punch plate surface provides excellent traction. If you need a heavy-duty ramp for wide equipment, this is a great option. What people say. These ramps are the perfect size for my shed. I needed ramps to put my lawn mower and snow blower in and out of my shed, and these work perfectly. The size was perfect and the install very easy. Very good quality also. I bolted together 2 sets of 2 to create an 8-foot wide permanent ramp for my shed. These were nicely packaged and included the hardware needed to bolt them together. I'm pleased with how these turned out. This dual ramp is the perfect size for my shed where I store my ride-on mower. I have a 5-inch lip at the front of my shed and this ramp is the feeder height. It is very strong and it also looks great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.